Okay, so the dashboard little display is always flashing. So to get rid of that, you have to come down here, go to menu, and it's a vehicle config, but you just go up and down. So you got display adjust, options. So you go to display adjust, set your year, and it'll stop flashing. If you want to set it, obviously you got to go to display adjust and flick through from year, month and day and change it, but I ain't too worried about that. So pretty easy to do. Just the menu, press the menu, you get to display adjust. This one flicks through. If you press down, you go through all the main options, select the one you want, press OK. Diagnosis, I didn't really want that one, but let's have a look at the self-diagnosis as well. Diagnosis complete. It said OK, I think so. Right, just turn it off.